Welcome, today I am with Huawei FreeBuds 4 and the Huawei smartphone, and I will show you how you can connect this to device. We got two methods. The first one by going through the normal Bluetooth pairing mode, and also with another one with AI Live application. But let's start with the first one. So we have to simply open case of our Huawei Buds, Huawei FreeBuds 4, and right now, as you can see in my case, this indicator is blinking on the white color, and it means that they are in the pairing mode. So when I'm going to open Bluetooth settings, for example from the quick panel, I will get this notification. It looks very close to the iPhone notification, and we have to click connect. As you can see, connection is successful. It was very simple, but I will show you also how to move them to the pairing mode manually, because sometimes when you open this case, it's not blinking on the white color and they will not connect automatically. So let me unpair them, and one more time. If you don't have this notification on your Huawei smartphone, you have to take a look right here on this button. You will find it on the right side of the case. Then you have to click and hold it for a few seconds until this indicator on the front starts blinking on the white color. As you can see, it's blinking, so we can release that button, and right now you will find them on 100% on the available devices list. So after that, you are able to click on them once, click pair, and after a few moments you will be also connected. So there's the first method. Let me just unpair them and I will show you how to use AI Live application. So right now, when you have Huawei smartphone, you don't have to go for the Play Store, you have to find App Gallery, because in the Play Store we cannot find the latest version of Huawei AI application. So we have to tap on the search bar when we are on the App Gallery and type AI Live. You can also take it from the quick list. So we have to get this application, Huawei AI Live. Now just to install, click on the install and wait until the download will be finished. So just be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, right now when it's finished, we can open. Here we have to choose our country. Click continue. Tap next, agree. And right now accept this permission that pops on the screen. And right now when we are in this application, we have to open case of our Huawei FreeBuds 4. We can click cancel here, and then we can tap to add manually our device. And of course you have to make this indicator blink on the white color. In my case it works automatically, but if you have problem, you have to click on this button to move them to the pairing mode manually. As you can see right now, the FreeBuds 4 are here, so I can tap connect. Right now they are going to link with each other, and right now we are able to go forward. So click enable. It will be software update. There it is. As you can see, we are connected. Plugin downloaded, so we can finally click here. And as you can see right now, we are able to download software update, but I'm going to make it later. And as you can see, here we are finally connected. And basically that's how you can connect your Huawei FreeBuds 4 with your with your Huawei smartphone in the two different ways. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.